In this video, I am going to show you how to get a YouTube TV free trial again if you've already used one in the past. While YouTube TV typically allows only one free trial per account or Google account, there are a few workarounds you can try. First, check if there are any ongoing promotions or extended trials by visiting the YouTube TV website or app. Sometimes they offer special deals for new users or returning customers. Another option is to create a new Google account and use it to sign up for the free trial, as YouTube TV links eligibility to your Google account. Alternatively, contact YouTube TV customer support through their help center or live chat and politely inquire if they can offer a courtesy trial, especially if it's been a while since your last subscription. Be sure to review their terms of service to ensure compliance. If you're part of a family plan, you could also ask a family member to share their free trial with you by adding you as a user on their account. Just remember to cancel before the trial ends if you don't want to be charged. If this video helped you learn how to get a YouTube TV free trial again, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.